Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope you guys made some money. We all know the market has been pretty good over the weekend. Especially starting with yesterday. So, we're going into the weekend around 10.5, and now we're pretty much close. We almost touched 10.8 earlier. So we at 10,750 currently at the moment. So, it's been pretty good. So the weekend's been pretty good. Let's go check the market cap right now to see how everything is going. So currently the current market cap is at 343 billion, 24-hour volumes at 101 billion. BTC dominance actually went down with 57.9%. BTC dominance, so pretty good, so it makes some of them gains inside alts as well. So well, it depends on which alts you're in. But we look at the 1 day. Let's just see how we're doing over the last 24 hours. They're $339 billion market cap, and right now we're at 343 billion. So about 4 billion came into the market. And then let's check out the last week. So we was at 347 billion. So about 4 billion came out of the market, as you guys can see here. So yeah, let's just go see BTC and see what she's doing over here. BTC, we are, as you guys can see, 10,749 bucks. So let's see what she's saying. Let's see what she's talking about here. So on the indicators, so looking at strong buy for the 1 day and 4 hour strong buy. So really strong buy right here. And for the week, still moving averages based off the moving averages of 7 strong buy, still is a buy of Bitcoin. So it's something to think about, something to look at right there, guys. And it's a very good indicator I like to use. Helps me out in my trading as well. I don't take it as for 100%, but it's something that I like to use when I'm actually analyzing and seeing what I want to do before I get into a position. I did pick up some BTC though, around 10.5, low 10.5. It's about 10.5, 10.5, 25, something right around there. And yeah, and I picked it up on crypto.com too, guys. Crypto.com is a real good site. If you guys need to, you can buy some crypto. You can link your debit card or credit card up to it, and you're able to actually just purchase like 20, I think about 50 cryptos right now, I believe. You purchase off of that. So you definitely go over there and pick that up. And if you need the link, go right inside the description and below, and you'll be able to click the link and go right to crypto.com. You get a debit card, the Visa debit card, so you can spend that daily as well. So there's something right there you guys can think about right there. So right here, guys, we see we didn't go below that. We stood hard over the last day over that on that support line right here. As you guys can see, we had a little small wick down here, but we stay stern right here and firm on this nice support line, guys. And you guys know the support line been here for a while now. So it's something that you definitely want to consider when you're trading as well. You want to put all this stuff, wrap all the stuff up when you're looking to pretty much trade. So it's something to think about. So guys, let's get into the news for today. This is good news. This is bullish news. So we see here, let me backtrack before I get started here. Think about it. In the last 2 weeks, you had BitHum get raided twice. We covered on this channel. You had Kucoin get hacked for over $200 million. Kucoin got hacked. You had BitMEX get BitMEX had the little legal issues going on over there, and one of the co-founders got arrested. And you had the president of the United States catch coronavirus over the week and over the weekend, and this all in the past 2 weeks. And crypto was like, all right, cool. Man, this was 2 years ago. Man, Bitcoin would have dropped. Bitcoin would be $3,000-$4,000 right now. If all this stuff happened back to back like that in the last few weeks, Bitcoin would have just dropped. So this is showing you how bullish we are right now, guys. Any little small news, small good news, is going to just send it straight up to straight to the moon. So this here is just definitely good news. I'm quit rambling, but it's something to think about. It's something to think about. all the people that's been in crypto in the last few years, the last 5 years, they know news like this, like a Kucoin hack, 200 million, that would have dropped Bitcoin, thousands of dollars. But all this up back to back to back, man, Bitcoin been down to like $3,000 right now. And this was a few years ago. All right, let's get right into it. So it says, Kucoin CEO says exchange hack suspects found $204 million has been recovered. People don't understand, man. This stuff is on a blockchain. So it says, according to Kucoin Exchange CEO Johnny Liu, the trading platform has recovered $204 million in crypto assets since October the 1st. The exchange executive says the hacking suspect have been found and the police are officially involved in order to take action. Now, on September 25th, the crypto community found out that the Kucoin exchange was hacked for a great number of assets. Estimates say 1,008 BTC was stolen, along with 14,713 Bitcoin Satoshi Visions, a little over 26,000 LTC, and list goes on, XLMs, and EOS, Tether, so, and $153 million of ERC20 tokens, Ether and ERC20 tokens, and over 18 million XRP. So it says, following the hack, KuCoin revealed it was working with law enforcement and a number of blockchain projects to remedy the situation. After a great number of token projects revealed recovering over $130 million from the KuCoin breach, the project developers were condemned for centralization. Now, further, the blockchain analysis firm Elliptic published a report that said the hacker spent over $17 million on decentralized exchange DEX platforms. Now, it said Elliptic noted that all the hacker swaps on Token Line, Uniswap, and the Kyber network can still be traced. Now, it said on October 3rd, 2020, KuCoin Exchange CEO Johnny Liu updated the public in regard to the security incident. He says, a quick update since my last stream on September the 30th. Now, Liu tweeted, after a thorough investigation, we have found the suspects of the KuCoin security incident with substantial proof at hand. Now, he said law enforcement officials and police are officially involved to take action. Now, with great support from our partners in the industry, another $64 million in assets are now out of the control of the suspicious addresses, bringing the total value of $204 million since October the 1st. That's what the Kucoin CEO said. And he said, KuCoin is coming back to full functionality. My team and I continue to do our best to offset the impact of this incident. As of now, a total of 31 tokens have opened for deposits and withdrawal services. And more tokens, including BTC, ETH, and USD, will follow. So he said, at time of publication, it's uncertain as to who the suspects found are and whether or not they will be in custody. And the community responses on Twitter welcome Liu's tweet and look forward to the trading platform opening up deposits and withdrawals again. Liu also thanked all the exchanges and blockchain projects for helping KuCoin resolve the security incident. Now, a big thank you to all the institutions, blah, 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 support us. Together we will build a strong crypto world, the Kucoin CEO concluded. Now, I mean, this is, my opinion, this is good. This is good. But then you start thinking about the, everything can be traced on the blockchain, right? Everybody keep talking about, crypto is so, everybody can do all this stuff on crypto and it's so bad and blah, blah, blah. Nobody know who they are. But every dollar is traced. I mean, everything is traced. You can literally go on have somebody address, go on a blockchain and see how much they got in that in that address, So it's just the anatomy of it is, but at the end of the day, once somebody, once you send some stuff, or they should start really just checking your, a lot of these companies are doing KYC. So they start seeing some, a certain person, let's say, have a Coinbase wallet or Binance wallet or whatever, and they're constantly, and they're doing KYC. they filling that out, completing it, then they keep saying crypto going inside there, then a certain address, then they'll put the pieces together and say, well, this is coming from so and so, and that's something to think about. I mean, it's good they got the money back. They recovered the money, so that's pretty good. It's good news. It's good news. People able to, get, like I said, no one really lost. They're gonna pay the people, but they recovered the money, so which is good. But it goes to show you that they're tracing everything. They're tracing everything that we have, everything that's on these exchanges. So that's why DEX is starting to be a little bit more important. But people are starting going to these DEX because when you're dealing with these centralized exchanges, they're tracing everything. So that's why a lot of people is getting the OTCs, over the counters. We did a video on those as well. Podcast. We did a podcast on that, on over the counters, and a lot of people are actually, you have the ledger, you have your cold wallets as well. You store there on the cold wallets, but those days of hacking these exchanges, they're pretty much coming to an end, guys. So hacking people exchanges and think you're gonna walk away with a bunch of money because your name is not on the crypto that you're sending around, but they're just following it. They just following those transactions. So unless you have other means of doing it where you can hide that address and send to a certain address, and then I'm not gonna really go too deep into it, but those days are pretty much coming to an end, where you're just going in hacking and taking a lot of crypto, a lot of money, and then nobody know who you are. So, but guy, what do you think about this here? I mean, I think it's a good story. They're getting the money back and they open it up. Do you guys think people are going to dump? They're going to just pretty much take everything out of KuCoin after this, or do you think it's going to build it up, make it stronger, right? Say, hey, you know what? They found our money in about a week. They found the money in about a week. And we, it was a little headache withdrawing and depositing on there and doing what we need to do. But, they found it. They're a good company. They're solid. You think people gonna say, hey, they're solid. They did a good job. Or people gonna say, you know what? They got hacked. The security is not strong. I'm gonna take my stuff off this exchange. But in the day, guys, everybody you keep getting hit over the head. You're falling for the same trick. Stop leaving your money on exchanges. Take it off. Make your trades. Take it off. This is like a few, you got a few grand on there. You feel, if it's really small, you're like, I'm trading. But man, take it off, man. Take it off the exchanges. It's on there to exchange, not store. Exchange. All right. So that's what you have a wallet. That's what you have ledgers for. That's what you have Exodus. That's what you have all the different wallets out here for, guys. You have MetaMask for. Trust wallet. So let me know what you think about this, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It's your guy Crypto Chuck here, the group Crypto Black. Follow us on Twitter at the Crypto Black. Also, scroll down, click on crypto.com. You're able to go over there and pretty much buy crypto for really cheap, low fees on crypto.com. And you use my link, you'll get $50. I'll get $50 when you get the crypto. You get one of the cards, okay? You get the Ruby Red card or more. Stake some coins, stack them sats, chill. We'll see you guys in the next video, guys. It's your Crypto Chuck, the group Crypto Black. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. We out of here.